Example number 26, page 469. In any triangle ABC, prove that A sin B minus C plus B sin C minus A plus C sin A minus B equal to 0. Now, while you are proving in this type of questions, then you have to simplify first term. Then similarly, you have to write another second and third term, right? So first we solve this. So first, A sin B minus C is equal to. Now you have a sign formula. A upon sin A is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin capital C is equal to, we assume, K. So by sign formula, A is equal to K sin A. A is equal to what we get? K sin A. Either sin A is equal to, because we have small a, so small a is equal to K sin A. What we get? Sin A. Small a is equal to K sin A. Small b is equal to K sin B, and small c is equal to K sin capital C. Right? So this is the result what we are writing here. So A is equal to what we get? K sin A. So substituting value of small letters. I told you substitute a value of small letters only. So this is K sin A, right? Into sin B minus C. This you have to give the result. You have to write this formula because we are using sin formula, right? So now this is sin A and this is B minus C. So here is angle A and here is angle B minus C. But it is given for any triangle ABC, that is A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So if A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then what is A? A is pi minus B minus C. So A is equal to pi minus B plus C. I am writing B plus C in bracket. So writing this value, K sin pi minus B plus C, and this is sin B minus C as it is. Sin B minus C as it is. Now sin pi minus theta, you know, pi minus theta is always lies in second quadrant. Remember this thing, right? We are going to apply this more than 500 times in 11th standard as well as in 12th standard, right? In 12th standard, no counting. It's a uncountable number. So sin pi minus theta is sin B plus C into sin B minus C. Right? Now, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B. That is another formula, right? That you know. So, this is K. This is sin square B minus sin square C. Now, from the sin formula, sin B is equal to B upon K. Sin B is equal to, from here we get sin A is equal to A upon K. From here we get sin B is equal to B upon K, and from this sin C is equal to C upon K. Then you know. So substituting value of sin B. Sin B is B upon K, but square of sin, that is B square upon K square. So this is K B square upon K square minus C square upon K square. So this is K B square minus C square upon K square. So this KK will be cut. So your answer will be 1 upon K into B square minus C square. 1 upon K into B square minus C square. So this is the simplification for this. That is A sin B minus C. So therefore A sin B minus C is 1 upon K into B square minus C square. Right? Similarly, second term B sine capital C minus A is equal to 1 upon K. Right? If A 1 upon K, this square minus this square, small letter. So small letter of this is C square minus A square. So we get C square minus A square, and C sine A minus B is equal to 1 upon K, and this is A square minus B square, small letter of this, that is A square minus B square. So now left hand side, is this. So answer of this is this. So in 1 upon K is common in all terms. So I am writing 1 upon K common here. So first term is B square minus C square, plus second is C square minus A square, and third is A square minus B square. Right? So now this B square will be cut, C square and A square will be cut. Right? So answer will be 1 upon K into 0, that is 0, that is right hand side. So this is true. Right? So this is the way to prove this type of questions. First simplify first term, then according to that you have to write directly like this second and third term. Okay? Okay. So for this solving this, we have another formula and another method. So we are solving by another method. So just wait a minute. So second method, we have sine formula. A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to, we say, K. That is, sine A is equal to A by K. If we take this is equal to this, then A upon sine A is equal to K. So this implies sine A is equal to E upon K. Right? Similarly, sine B is equal to B upon K. So this implies sine B is equal to B upon K, and sine C is equal to C upon K. This is capital with trigonometric function is angle, that is capital. Right? So now, as we discussed, we have to simplify this first. A sine B minus C. Now we have formula sine B minus C. Right? SC, CS, sine means same. Right? So formula for this sine A minus B, that you know, sine A minus B is equal to, you have to write sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. This is the formula. Right? Sine A minus B means SC, CS, sine means same, minus, then minus, SC, CS, then write down this angle both here. Right? So applying this formula, what we get? A into bracket sine B cos C minus cos B sine C. This is the answer. Right? Now sine B is B upon K and sine C is C upon K. So applying this formula, what we get? A sine B minus C is equal to, now small a as it is, sine B is B upon K. So writing B upon K sine B. Now cos C, you have formula for cos C, that is cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon twice AB, that you know, right? You have to subtract C, so C, and the remaining two sides A square plus B square minus 2 AB, and similarly cos A. So cos A, formula for cos A, that is except A, that is B and C, that is B square plus C square minus A square upon twice BC. These two formula we have to apply. So cos B is here sorry, cos C. So cos C is this. So cos C is A square plus B square minus C square upon twice AB, right? Minus cos B. Instead of B I am writing A here, so no problem. Cos B is, we have to formula apply, I am writing from this. So cos B means this is cos B is A square plus C square minus B square upon twice AC, right? So cos B is A square plus C square minus B square upon twice AC into sin C. Sin C is C upon K. So sin C is C upon K. So this is the simplification for A into sin B minus C. So this is B cancel, right? Here C will be cancelled, and this is, if we multiply A, then this will be A upon K into A square plus B square minus C square upon twice A. If you multiply A here also, because A is outside the full bracket, so minus A upon K into A square plus C square minus B square upon twice A. So this A cancel, right? So remaining is 1 upon K is constant. So 1 upon K constant, and remaining term will be A square plus B square minus C square, minus means plus become minus and minus become plus. So minus A square minus C square plus B square, right? So here A square will be cut, right? So 2 times B square minus 2 times C square is remaining. So this is 1 upon K 2 times B square minus 2 times C square. So taking 2 common, this will be 2 upon K into B square minus C square, right? So this is the answer of A sin capital B minus C. So similarly, we have to write the answer of this. So similarly, B sin C minus A is equal to 2 upon K is constant, B square minus C square, so C square minus A square, so C square minus A square, and third one, C sin A minus B, C sin A minus B is equal to 2 upon K and A square minus B square. So substitute these all values in left hand side. So our left hand side will be, now you can see this is common. So 2 upon K common, and remaining will be B square minus C square plus C square minus A square plus A square minus B square. So this B square, this A square will be cut. So answer will be 0. So this is 2 by K into 0 is equal to 0. That is right hand side. That is what you want to prove. Right? So this is another method. But ये बहुत लंबा हो गया, इसलिए मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि properties of triangle, right? In solving the properties of triangles question, you have to make a small letters as a subject, right? इसको ही टारगेट बना के आप एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कीजिए तो आपका एग्जाम्पल बहुत ही जल्दी आ जाएगा, right? So as we did in first method, it is better to solve, right, instead of this, because you have to apply here 3 formulas: cos as well as sin as well as this formula of sin A minus B, right? So instead of doing this all thing, just remember, simplify for small letters, that is for sides, not for angle. If कोई मेथड अप्लाई नहीं होगा तो हम एंगल को भी सॉल्व कर लेंगे, मगर एंगल को सॉल्व करने से अच्छा रहेगा साइड को सॉल्व कीजिए, राइट? सो सिंपलीफाई फॉर स्मॉल लेटर्स ओनली, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, ओके? थैंक यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, पेज 472. For any triangle ABC, we have to prove this. That is, a plus b by c is equal to cos a minus b by 2 into sin c by 2. As we discussed earlier, what we have to do? We have to starting with small letters, that is sides of triangle, and for angle we have to prove. So this is already given, and this question is maybe given like this. This sin c by 2 can be multiplied by here, and you are saying that prove that sin c by 2 into a plus b by c is equal to cos a minus b by 2. So this is given our left hand side. So left hand side is a plus b by c, and you know a upon sin a, sin formula is a upon sin a is equal to b upon sin b is equal to c upon sin capital C is equal to, we say that this is k. So what is a? A is equal to k sin a. So therefore a is equal to k sin a, b is equal to k sin b, and small c is equal to k sin capital C. This you know, right, by sin formula using. So substituting value of a is k sin a. So this is k sin a plus b. B is k sin b. So k sin b whole upon c. C is k sin capital C. Now k is common from numerator as well as in denominator also, so k will be cancelled. So remaining will be sin A plus sin B whole upon sin C. Now sin C plus sin D formula, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 whole upon, this is whole upon sin C. Sin C means sin 2 theta formula, that is sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So 2 theta becomes half. So this is C. So this become C by 2. So 2 times sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Right? Got it? Because if we write here theta, then this become 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So this implies this for this formula. Right? So this is sin C, that is 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Now this is for any triangle ABC, that means a plus b plus c is equal to pi, right? So using this identity, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So what we get? A plus b is equal to pi minus c, right? A plus b is equal to pi minus c. So this implies a plus b is equal to pi minus c. So a plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2 divided by 2. We get a plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now from onwards questions, I am going to write directly a plus b, that is pi minus c directly. I am not going to show this here, right? I am just indicating a plus b plus c is equal to pi, right? So according to this is left hand side, this is 2 sin. Now a plus b is pi minus c, so I am writing pi minus c. So pi minus c by 2, right? Into cos, this is a minus b by 2. So no need to write this, only you can write, you have to write this, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. No need to show this everything and waste time. So never write, don't waste your time, right? Whole upon this 2 will be cut. So I am removing 2 from here also. So this is sin c by 2. So sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. Now, if we write this separately, this is pi by 2 minus c by 2 like this. So sin pi by 2 minus c by 2 is cos c by 2. So this is cos c by 2 into cos. This is a minus b by 2 whole upon sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. Right? This cos c by 2 will be cut and the remaining will be your answer. That is your right hand side. So what we do? Nothing. Just apply formula, apply proper formula and simplify. You will get your answer. Right? So this is cos a minus b by 2 whole upon sin c by 2. That is, this is right hand side. So this is 2. Correct?